The brand new Pixel Watch 4 has arrived, but is it a worthy upgrade over last year's Watch 3? The Pixel Watch 4 comes in at $349, which is $100 more than its predecessor. Both models feature beautiful LTPO AMOLED screens, but the Watch 4 introduces its new Actua 360 display. When it comes to the overall display size and protection, both of the watches are exactly the same. The screen resolution also remains completely unchanged between these two generations, resulting in a solid tie here. Because of that, the pixel density is also identical on both of the watches, coming in at 320 ppi. The Pixel Watch 4 gets a massive upgrade in peak brightness, making it much easier to see outdoors. Google has managed to pack slightly larger batteries inside of the new Pixel Watch 4 for better performance. This results in a major battery life improvement, with the Pixel Watch 4 lasting much longer. In battery saver mode, the new Pixel Watch 4 can last for an incredible 72 hours. Not only does the battery last longer, but the brand new Pixel Watch 4 also charges much faster. The charging dock now features a smarter side-mounted connection, which is more stable while charging. The Pixel Watch 4 launches with the newer Wear OS 6.0, giving it a longer software lifespan. Under the hood, the Watch 4 gets the new Snapdragon W5 Gen 2 chip for better performance. It is also paired with an upgraded coprocessor, which greatly helps to improve overall battery life efficiency. For system requirements, the brand new Pixel Watch 4 will require you to have Android 11 or newer. When it comes to the internal storage and RAM, there are no changes between these two smartwatches. A capable microphone and speaker are included on both of the models, making this another solid tie. Both generations of the watch feature identical cellular support with 4G LTE, making this another tie. The Pixel Watch 4 gets a massive upgrade with Google Gemini, a much smarter and better AI. Both watches feature a premium recycled aluminum body and a very comfortable soft-touch fluoroelastomer watch band. Despite the internal upgrades, the thickness of both of these smartwatches remains exactly the same at 12.3 millimeters. The brand new Pixel Watch 4 is also fractionally lighter than its predecessor, giving it a slight win. Unfortunately, if you were hoping for a built-in LED flashlight, you won't find one on either model. You can confidently go swimming with either watch, as both feature the same 5 ATM water resistance. The Watch 4 gets a major GPS upgrade with dual-band support for much more accurate tracking. A huge new safety feature on the Watch 4 is satellite SOS for emergencies without any cell service. Both watches are packed with excellent Fitbit health sensors, offering features like ECG and continuous heart rate tracking. The Watch 4 adds a new far-field skin temperature sensor for more accurate health and sleep tracking. The new Pixel Watch 4 is future-proofed with Bluetooth 6.0 for a more stable and better connection. Standard connectivity like NFC for payments and dual-band Wi-Fi are available on both of the watches. Thanks for watching our detailed comparison. Let us know in the comments which one you would personally choose.